In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create quizzes on GoHighLevel. We'll build a simple, effective quiz using the built-in form builder so you can segment leads and learn more about your audience. Start by logging into your sub-account. Once you're in, head to the Sites area and open the builder. This is where you create and manage the forms that power your funnels and pages, including quizzes. Next, create a new form. You'll see a blank canvas and a panel of fields you can add. Before doing anything else, give your form a clear name so you can find it later. Rename it to Quizzes in this example. Good naming keeps your workspace organized, especially if you plan to create multiple quizzes for different campaigns. Now let's add the first quiz question. From the field options, choose multi-dropdown. A quick note on structure. Quizzes in GoHighLevel are essentially forms with thoughtfully chosen questions. They help you engage visitors, capture data, and route people based on their answers. The multi-dropdown field works well because it's compact, easy to scan, and can allow more than one selection if that suits your question. Select that multi-dropdown and update the label to "What type of business do you run?" This question helps categorize your audience so you can tailor follow-up messaging. Under the options, rename the choices one by one. Set the first to agency, the second to local business, and the third to e-commerce. Keep your wording short and distinct so respondents can decide quickly. You can always refine or expand these options later to match your niche. Add a second multi-dropdown to gather another key data point. Rename this one to "How many leads do you get monthly?" Clear, quantifiable questions like this make your results easier to analyze and segment. For the options, rename the first to 1 to 10, the second to 10 to 50, and the third to 50 plus. Aim for mutually exclusive ranges and consistent formatting, so respondents aren't confused about where they fit. If your audience varies widely, you can adjust these ranges to reflect typical volumes. When you're satisfied with the labels and options, click Save. Saving ensures your quiz structure is locked in and ready to use across your sites and funnels. That's it. Your quiz form is created, labeled clearly, and set with answer choices that will make your follow-up smarter and more relevant. If this walkthrough helped you build a cleaner, more targeted quiz inside GoHighLevel, don't forget to subscribe for more.